Good morning friends. Today I'll talk on the difference of hemoptysis and hematemesis. One is coughing out of blood, another is vomiting of blood. Patient and patient family member, they get anxious whenever blood comes through the mouth, but most often it happens that they don't know from where the blood is coming, whether it is coming from lung or it is coming from stomach. They don't give proper history to the doctor that whether they are coughing out of blood or they are vomiting out blood. And because of this, doctor cannot decide the proper strategy for investigation and treatment, because both the conditions are totally different, their causes, etiology are different, and treatment are different. So doctor need a proper history to come to inference or to do the proper investigation and treatment. Today I will talk on that in very brief way, and this will be helpful not only for patient and patient's family members, it will also be helpful for health professional. So let's start friends. Hemoptysis is defined as coughing out of blood, whether it is fresh blood or mixed with sputum, and hematemesis is vomiting out of blood, sometimes mixed with food or food particles. I'll tell you 7 points to differentiate both of them. The first one is past history of illness. If a patient has history of lung disease, any history of lung disease prior to this illness, then this bleeding is hemoptysis. If there is a past history of disease of stomach or duodenum, then this bleeding is hematemesis. If the bleeding is predisposed by severe cough or physical strain or stress, then this is possibly hemoptysis. And if this bleeding is predisposed by vomiting, then this is hematemesis. In case of hemoptysis, the nature of blood is usually fresh and mixed with froth or sputum. In case of hematemesis, the blood is usually clotted and sometimes altered blood. The pH of that blood which comes as hemoptysis is alkaline, and the pH of blood comes as hematemesis is acidic, because it is mixed with acid in the stomach. Hemoptysis is mixed with froth or sputum, and hematemesis the bleeding mixed with food or food particles. Post hemoptysis symptoms usually will be blood mixed sputum or blood tinged sputum, and in case of hematemesis there will be black stool. The last point is hemosiderin laden macrophage. It is found in hemoptysis, not found in hematemesis. So friends, these all are few points how we'll differentiate between hemoptysis and hematemesis. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video.